Good morning, I'm Shipra.
I'm Manuel. No, she'll start.
Our model is on the topic natural resources and their conservation. Natural resources are derived from environment. Some of them are used for our survival, while most of them are used for our basic needs. So natural resources are derived into two parts. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So now let us see how we can conserve our natural resources. First one is the rainwater harvesting method. As you know that during rainy season, most of the rainwater is wasted. So when the rainwater falls on this terrace, it should be collected in a water tank through a pipe, so that this water falls to the tank. So there should be a tank connected in the lower level with the turbine. So when the water falls to the lower level, the turbine rotates and the electricity is produced. So this water shouldn't be wasted. So this water can be used for agriculture purpose or for drinking after filtration. And the second one is the hump energy.
Usually where there are humps, the consumption of energy is more and the damage is caused to our vehicles itself. So we have introduced the special type of humps where when the vehicle moves on these humps, the plate is closed and this results to the apparatus turning the generator. This creates the environment of air pressure, and this air pressure is collected in this pipe. As per the requirement of the rotation of turbine, the gate wall is fixed. And third one is geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy. These are the layers of the earth. First one is the rock layer, next one is the water layer, and then the magma layer. Because of the heat of the magma, the water is boiling at more than 300 degrees Celsius. So when we break the hot rock with the help of the explosives, so that only the steam comes out. So when the steam comes out, the turbine rotates and with the help of the generator, electricity is produced. So this steam is again sent to a condenser where the steam is converted into water. So this water is again sent to a cooling tower where the water is cooled down. So the cold water is again through pump is sent down. It doesn't come back because of the retinol, and in this the underground water is also not wasted. So we can use this for producing electricity as well to enrich the underground water. And the fourth thing is wind energy and the solar energy.
Solar energy is the conversion of solar energy into useful forms of energy. Mostly the solar panel used for the sun, the light rays of the sun falls on the solar panel, and this is converted into electrical energy by the heat exchanger. And this is the model of windmill, where the wind energy is used for the production of electrical energy. And the last concept is products from non-biodegradable substances and energy production from the biodegradable substances. Here we have presented the experiment of banana peeling paste where it produces the energy. Here we have connected the electrodes to the negative and positive end of the watch, and without the help of battery we have produced the energy. And the last concept, recycling of plastic.
So this is the products from non-biodegradable substance. Non-biodegradable substance mainly refers to plastic, which leads to environmental pollution nowadays. So the plastic from the city should be collected and it should be put in this pit, where the high toxic colors of the plastics are removed. And it should be taken, the colorless plastic should be taken to this pit where the plastic melts. And this melted plastic is converted into plastic plates, plastic spoons or the plastic cups. In this we can conserve our petrol, because in the manufacture of plastic, petrol plays a main role. So this recycled plastic even can be used for dammering. So by following all these methods, we can conserve a natural resource.
Natural resources and our motherland. So all the methods are eco-friendly even, and these do not cause any environmental pollution. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your ambition?
My ambition. I want to be a forensic doctor. Forensic doctor.